in this video, I will be answering Sir Bellius provided questions. So let's go. So number 1, what is your complete name? I am Chanel Balgos Panes. Number 2, where do you live? I live in Kibangay, Lantapan, Bukidnon. Number 3, how old are you? I am 20 years old. So number 4, what have you learned from your previous physics subject? Elaborate. So my physics one is fluid mechanics. So in fluid mechanics, it is all about fluids. So in that subject, we did a lot of experiment with water and with other stuff. So I learned about a lot about that. And my physics 2 is thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, we are mainly focusing on heat and thermal energy, like that. So I have a lot of learnings. There are like laws in thermodynamics, and we also did PhET simulation in which we focus about friction. So we focus about friction. So I learned a lot about friction. So number 5, what can you contribute to this subject you are now taking? I can contribute my time and effort in order to learn and to comply all my requirements. Number 6, how can you help mitigate the adverse effects of the pandemic? So I can mitigate it by getting myself vaccinated, wearing a mask, and staying away from people, from crowded places. So in my small act of in my small deeds of like avoiding the virus, I can help myself, my family, and also a lot of people. Number 7, what creative and or innovative ideas do you have in mind in addressing the still ongoing pandemic? So on the first months of the pandemic, one of my creative innovation was I created face mask. I sew my own face mask because face mask that time is very expensive, so I did my own. But I didn't really get to use it because we are on a lockdown. But still, that is my one creative innovation. Number 8, in a scale of 5, how can you rate your letter A? Technology resources. So my technology resources is 3 because I have my technology right now that I use in my online classes is I have a laptop and a phone, and that helped me with my online classes. But why do I rate it 3? Because my laptop is really old, so it's really lagging, and the battery is always dead, so I need to always charge it. And my phone is also lagged because it's really old, but I can still work on it. And letter B is my technology skill. So I will rate my technology skill as 4 because being an online student for like 2 years now, that helped me a lot improving my technology skills because I get to always use my laptop, my phone when I am doing requirements and going to classes, so that really helped me. So letter C is my research skill. As I was saying, in the second year of my online learning, I get to always research a lot in order to accumulate more information. That helped me with my research skill because I get to grasp a lot of information. My research in my 2 years of online learning, that helped me what is the right information from a right site, and from resources that is really trusted. Letter D is my economic status. So my economic status, I would rate my research skill as 4, and I would rate my my economical status as 4, because we have a sustainable life. We have a sustainable life, yeah, and our cost of living, we are able to cope up with it. Emotional maturity. So my emotional maturity, I would rate it as 4, because going through this pandemic, I did experience a lot of emotional breakdowns, and I I have I conquered my depression, so that made me emotionally mature. But why 4? Because I still have things to grow, to improve. And last one is creative and innovative skill. So I would rate my creative and innovative skill as 3, because I am creative and I am innovative, but I know that I can still learn and do more. So that would be all. Thank you. Bye.